if I were to make a personal, and I take this as a personal recommendation, I would rather that the SK be abolished because of the trend that it continuously goes down in participation and the barangay captains take over. I would rather that the SK chairman be appointed, and for those non-performance be replaced by someone else. That's just a personal opinion, sir.
Well, short of abolishing the SK, what is your department doing to address this problem?
Sir, every year
It appears to be a very big problem.
it's
from the
a
way you
huge
describe
problem,
it.
sir.
Yes.
It's a huge problem. Every year we have an accounting of those who are still participating and not, and we constantly monitor it and make recommendations. As far as the real politic goes, it is up to the SK chairman to report to us directly and make allegations directly for us to act on it. And even that, they are scared to do. That's why the real politic of the situation, for me, and this is only my opinion, should be changed, that the youth councils would be better if it were constituted by the barangay captain themselves and having the non-performance replaced immediately.